Hello, I'm Elsa Reichmanis from Lehigh University, and this year it is my distinct pleasure to deliver the John M. Prausnitz AIChE Institute Lecture at the 2022 annual meeting in Phoenix, Arizona. What I'm going to be talking about in my presentation is how processing, coupled with understanding of molecular structure, can lead to exciting new discoveries, from stretchable devices to materials for energy storage. To learn more about my lecture and the entire annual meeting program, visit online at aiche.org. I hope you'll be joining me in November at the AIChE annual meeting. I'm looking forward to seeing you in Phoenix.